What's up guys, welcome back to the channel for a new video, and we are doing more fun Honda mods today. Judging by the title, you guys already know. We added a intake last video, and in this video, we are throwing on a brand new exhaust. Well, muffler at least. We've got a new muffler for it. So a little axle back muffler is probably about $150 or so. I ordered it a while ago when I first got the car, and we're just now getting to that after we've done all the transmission work and fixed all the other little things that were kind of creature comfort fixes. Car's been driving great, and now we're ready to have it make some noise. So right here, we have a HKS box, which is super cool. And I mean, we had to be typical Honda boy. So we've got a pretty common muffler that other people do, but it's a big fat Cannon style muffler. Exactly what every single Honda needs. And I mean, it is a Cannon style muffler and all that, but it is still HKS, so it's beautiful. The welds look awesome. It's a good design, it's proven company. No eBay stuff as far as the exhaust goes, because this was affordable enough to where it was totally worth getting. So we've got some cool HKS stuff for the Fit. So let's get the old exhaust off and throw our new one on. All right, it's on. It looks cool. Fits really nicely. Really easy to take on and off. Just a couple little bolts and we were good to go, but looks the part. Definitely looks like a Honda now. A tuned Honda, little tuner car. So yeah, I'm just as excited as you guys are to start it up and see what it sounds like. Surprisingly quiet. I'm sure it'll sound different once we give it a little rev. Oh, that's a lot more tame than I thought it would be. I thought it was gonna be really raspy, but it actually has kind of a deeper tone to it. I'm a little surprised by this. So let's get in the car and go drive it. All right, here we are again in the old Fit. I mean, the car's on and everything, and it's like silent. It's not making any noise. So either this muffler is muffling more, or this is just a tiny engine. All right, here we go. Again, just like the intake, it's almost like there's just not enough going on with the engine to make any noise until you're got your foot on the gas. So I can definitely hear the tone is different, but it doesn't sound any louder just cruising through my neighborhood, which is, I mean, I guess a good thing for my neighbors. I can't really hear it like as well as I thought I would. I hear the intake still pretty well. All right, a little bit of gas. I mean, it sounds good. It sounds all right for a little car. I think if anything, it just accents the intake noise a little bit. They're similar like tone compared to OEM. It's that little bit of a deeper growl. So together, it just kind of sounds like it's all coming from the front and the rear of the car, which it's not bad. I enjoy it. You can definitely hear it on D-cell. Like that's all muffler noise right there. It's not bad. It actually sounds kind of good. Why does it sound kind of good? Imagine Sunday Cup and there's just 10 of this in a line, all making the same funny noises. But all right, I'm good with it. For what it costs and the amount of effort that it took to install, I think it sounds good. I think it looks fine. I like the style of Canon mufflers. That's just, I don't know, maybe my age, I guess. That's just what we were into when like these types of cars were out. So I'm cool with it. I'm happy with it. It sounds good. Let's get back to the house, do a final little talk about this, and then wrap this video up. All right, guys, we're back. My allergies are ripping me apart. If you're wondering why my eyes all red and I probably sound a little weird, my allergies have just been dominating me. Anyways, we've got the HKS muffler on the Fit. Sounds good. Doesn't sound overly loud. Doesn't sound too raspy. It has a deep little tone to it, and I'm genuinely surprised at how good it sounds. Videos on the internet, they always sound different. I've done my best to capture the audio for this, so hopefully you can get a little bit of a reference on how this might sound if you get it for your car. Again, all I have is a short rim intake and now this muffler, so only performance mods on the car. But I'm happy with it. Now we can move on to more fun stuff. I'm just like, getting rid of these boxes feels so good. I've had them stacked up for so long. So stay tuned for the next video. We've got a set of coilovers that need to go on. We've got sway bars, we've got fog lights, all kinds of little stuff. So stay tuned. If you are new to the channel, go down below, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.